Hi, my name is Dan Bullyan with Bullyan RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our new 2019 Gray Wolf, and this is the 16 GR fish house. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Okay, along the side here you do have a nice blue LED light. 2 windows. Crank frame on this GR. Prep for a solar panel. Another nice window in the back. Power cord plug in here in this corner. And a second blue LED light strip on this side as well. Cable hookup. Two 30-pound propane tanks with a cover. Nice grab assist handle here that can fold for you. Right as you walk in, you have your thermostat. Nice closet area. Does come with the Thetford porta potty, but this is a good spot to store all your gear, jackets, rods. Jackknife sofa here. This does pull down, has a couple cup holders built in. Bunk up above. Fantastic fan in the ceiling. And all your TV hookups are right here along this wall. Small sink here. 3-burner with an oven. Stainless steel microwave with a built-in hood fan. Storage along the side. Radio here, Furrion radio, which is Bluetooth. Battery gauge. Couple of cabinets up here. USB ports built in, along with some extra GFCI outlets on both sides. And it also has this storage on both sides too. Spare tire. Nice big dinette. That'll pop down into a big bed for you. Down below you've got your breaker box and a battery disconnect. That's where that red handle is. You do have 2 holes underneath the dinette too. Nice LED lights on the ceiling, and we did option in the air conditioner on this unit. Do one more walk around. Eight holes total. 2 by the couch, 4 in the center, and 2 by the dinette. Well, my name is Dan Bullyan with Bullyan RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2019 Gray Wolf 16 GR fish house, call or text at 218-341-7229. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.